Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create webhook on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to uh, follow this documentation on Slack. And basically it will show us how we can create a basic Slack app using webhooks. So the first thing you will be needing to do is to go to your apps so you can start creating a new app. And from here, we will go to the apps page, and here we want to simply create an app. And as you can see, we will be needing just to go to from scratch, and then you can start like choosing the name of it. So with hook, and you can choose your working space. In my case, this is my working space, and I'm going to create this app. And basically, you will be needing just to click on create app so it can be created and save the changes. And basically now you will be needing to start to request the scope from your app. In scopes will give you the app permission to start like performing actions like posting a message in your workspace. And from there we can simply go here, and basically you can find your working scopes from your application. So here we will have like socket mode, collaboration, etc. And now all we will need to do is to go to the permissions and auth to scopes. And basically, we will be needing just to get our bot token scope, and from there we can add the OAuth scope. So here we will have like OAuth and permissions, and then we want like to have or to add our bot token scope, and here we will add our OAuth. Uh, and basically, we want like just to have the chat dot send or dot write, and as you can see, is as it's saying. So let's just have write, and now we have added a permission, and then we can also have like this join. So basically now we will be needing to have also the channel read. So we will need just to add it to. So here we will have like chat dot uh, read, and basically we will be needing a channel like read and not chat, and here we will have it. So let's just add it to, and then we will be needing to start and authorizing the app. So in the basic information, we will need just to go and apply to install to workspace, and here we will need just to allow, select allow. After that, you will be needing to simply go and configure the app for event listening. That means whenever like someone mention or do anything, it will start like sending a message or do whatever like in the configuration. Now, in sending a message with the webhook, you will be needing just to add this and the webhook URLs of the working space. That means and incoming webhooks and toggle activate incoming webhooks on. And basically it depends on your working space. You might find like your webhooks either from here, or it can also be like in your applications, or it can be from uh, your apps that you have like on Slack. So here, if we go to the basic information, we will be able to start like, for example, save changes, and then you can start installing these channel to your app as it has been said on these steps. And basically, after adding or creating this HTTP request, you will be able to do it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.